And just like that, we're at the end of module 1. Thanks for sticking around. I do try to make each video short and as direct as I can about one topic, because I've done online courses before. I know that it frustrates me when you have a presenter who's obviously just recorded all the videos in one weekend and they're even wearing the same clothes in each video. To be honest with you, I have recorded a lot of the other videos from a lot of the other modules before I am recording these videos for this module. And this is the one where I actually sat down and did a lot of videos together in a couple of hours, wearing the same clothes at the same time with everything. But you'll notice that as you move through the course, I've recorded lots of different videos at different times. So I apologize if these ones tended to be a little bit cookie cutter. Hopefully my winning personality makes up for it. Anyway, buyer's brief. So as a buyer's agent, this is the whole of module 1. What we do right up until here is so that we can get you your buyer's brief. So module 1 is about creating the buyer's brief. And even though you're not a buyer's agent, you're creating your own buyer's brief. Why? Because then that gives you something tangible that you can explain to the sales agent when you turn up at the open home. It gives you the knowledge and the confidence to be able to explain your situation clearly. And the clearer you are and the more confident and knowledgeable you are, the more seriously that the sales agents will take you. Yeah. So from everything that we have done in module 1, I would love for you now to be able to create your buyer's brief. It will be simple. You will know your budget, you'll know the number of bathrooms, bedrooms, the type of property, the suburbs, your location must-haves, your location love to have, but there's a bit of room for compromise, your property must-have, and your property love to have, but there's room for compromise. And at the bottom, the things you definitely do not want. Like you definitely do not want some people definitely do not want a gas cooker. They don't want gas coming to the house. Other people definitely do not want living on a main road. All right. That took a while to say that. Gee, I must have taken too many videos today. No, it's only been 2 hours. So congratulations, you reached the end of module 1. You now have your buyer's brief. You've now got a really good understanding of what you're looking for, and the rest of the course is about making sure you get it. Thanks for joining me.